How to fill up the MDAC form. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fill up the MDAC form if you want to visit Kuala Lumpur during long layovers. Malaysia has declared visa-free entry for all Indian passport holders till 31st December 2024. Documents required for immigration: valid Indian passport, MDAC form and onward flight from Kuala Lumpur. First, go to the official website to fill up the form. This card needs to be filled out a maximum of 3 days before arriving in Malaysia. You will have to use the recommended browsers to fill up the form. We used Internet Explorer. Next, click on the Raise Tab button. First, you have to fill up your personal information such as name, passport number, date of birth, nationality, sex, date of passport expiry, email address, country code which will be 91 for Indians, your mobile number and so on. Next, you will need to provide your travelling information. In case you are visiting Kuala Lumpur during layover, choose accommodation as others, and for address, provide Kuala Lumpur International Airport's address. Last port of embarkation will be India if you are travelling from India. Check your flight ticket for the flight number in which you came to Malaysia. Accommodation of stay will be others and address will be Kuala Lumpur International Airport, Malaysia. State Selangor and city Sepang. Submit the form and you will receive a success message. You will also receive an acknowledgement in your email address. You can print it out and use it during immigration. You can also go back to the main website to check your registration status. In the acknowledgement mail, a PIN will be sent which you can use to proceed. You will be redirected to a page from where you can download your MDAC form. Print it and keep it for immigration. In case you made a mistake, resubmit a fresh form and print that. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.